Umongameli weqembu le-EFF uJulius Malema akahlehla ka emuva uthi la eKZN uzinzile. Asikubingelele siphinde sikhomkele nakanje nge-channel ihamba phambili indaba zikaBhoqo Online News. Mengabe mosha siyacela wenza ubulungiswa uciphize usubscribe button uciphize nebell khona uzibona wonke ama-video namaclip amasha esiwafakayo kule channel. Umongameli weqembu le-EFF uJulius Malema uthi akayindawo la eKZN. Uthi uyezwe nje kuthiwa khona ke labafana ke okuthiwa ke obabungizo wabethi ngangena eKZN. Uthi la South Africa ngeke avinjwe umuntu ngisho inkatha ke emvimbe yena uzongena la eKZN beyi-EFF abayindawo. Uthi yena ke waziwa le America, waziwa ngisho nguDonald Trump, abanye ke bathini. Nansi ke nanje iclips ihlanganisile zizwele.
Bakhona abafana la bathi abungizwe bathi hayi uma le maneva angene eKZN ngila ngizongena ngenkani. There is no one who can stop me here. Not even IFP can stop me. When the ANC was scared to go to the north, when I was the president of the Youth League, I took the ANC to the north, Nongoma. I took them to Nongoma. I was with Senzo Mkhunu. They were all denouncing me, saying, don't go. I said, no one is going to tell us where to go and where not to go. This is South Africa. We go everywhere. I can never be intimidated by small boys and small girls. They want to know who I am. They must go and ask Donald Trump. These are kids, these ones. I'm also known in America there. The president of America knows there is Malema. You can't intimidate him. He's not scared of anything, especially when it comes to issues of black people. There is no one who's going to make us be scared. This is our province. We are here today. We will be here tomorrow. We will be with you forever because this is our province. And we want to make sure that we grow the influence of the EFF in KZN. The EFF is not going anywhere. It's going to stay here in KZN. Whether by Atanda, Batandi, Ikona EFF in KZN, Msunduzi, everywhere. We're there. Nasenkandla sikhona.
Singathanda ukuzwa ukuphola kwakho kwi-comment section. Sibuza umbuzo nje uthi ucabanga ukuthi la eKZN EFF ingase iwine yini kulolu khetho oluzayo lohulumeni basemakhaya olungoNovember 4. Ake sizwe kanjani ngokuphola kwakho kwi-comment section. Ubona ukuthi EFF khona into zokuthola kulolu khetho lohulumeni basemakhaya oluzayo. Sibonga kakhulu #indaba zakaBhoqo #sizwa ngawe.